Hello, good morning folks. Happy Monday sa inyo. It's September 4, 11:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna be discussing my watch list for this week. So I'm looking at a couple of names right now, mostly basura stocks. Let's try to discuss the triggers or the levels that I'm watching before I trade them. So some of these stocks meron na ako sa portfolio, others I'm still looking to buy. And tignan natin sila isa-isa. So I have LSC, CAT, Primex, IMI, CEI, PMPC, SSI, and X. So for LSC, ayan, so basically it's on a sideways trend. So medium term niya or short term niya downtrend. Okay, so kitang-kita naman with this. Teka, lagyan natin ang mga palamuti. With this momentum, downtrend momentum. So to trade this, medyo ingat lang tayo or hinay-hinay lang, no all-ins, ano. So right now it's consolidating after bouncing near 100 MA. So I'm looking at a figure around 169 to 172. So this could be a good breakout buy. It kind of looks like Davin's setup before. So na-mention ko na yon dati. We're in ganito rin, same strong downtrend momentum prior to the drop and then nag-consolidate before it rallied. So tingnan natin yung Davin before. So that was around this time frame. So halos so ito yung nangyaring downtrend, extreme downtrend momentum, and then sinalo ng 100 MA and then nag-consolidate around here. Yeah, before nag-rally to new highs. So LSC kind of looks like this chart right now. Ang difference lang nila is mas malalim yung drop for LSC. So mas need tayo mag-ingat for LSC. That's why I'm looking at breakout buy only. So tingnan natin sa LSC. Ayan. So same setup near 100 MA. Yun nangyaring bounce and then it's consolidating right now. So far nagko-consolidate pa siya. Breakout buy is at 169 to 172. That could trigger the bulls to enter. And the next in our watch list is CAT. Okay, so CAT also on a consolidation mode. Let's plot the Fibonacci kung saan to nag-support. Okay, it's near 38.2, which is a bullish retracement. Okay, this is good. A lot of things can happen here. Pwedeng magkaroon ng handle formation. It could also go for a triangle formation. Pwedeng symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, or ascending triangle. So depende sa magiging ano. But right now it's consolidating. A good trigger for this one would be a breakout of 25.17. Okay, the opening of this red candle. Okay, but right now dito pa rin yan maglalaro. Big box na to. If you're a more aggressive trader, ganito yung magiging itsura ng box mo niyan. Okay, so with initial resistance at 27.47. The recent high for this candle, ayan yung opening ng candle na yan, red candle. So right now it's on alignment of the stars formation. RSI is still on a cool down. Tignan natin if may hit yung trigger natin this week at 25.35. So again, maraming pwedeng mangyari dito if it's gonna go for a that it's so immediate support dito is this one. Sorry, hindi pa ako masyadong praktisado sa ano ba to, coordinates, drawing tools. So pwede siyang magkaroon ng descending triangle, pwede siyang magkaroon ng symmetrical triangle, drawing. Okay. Anyway, regardless kung anong triangle yan, I'm looking at 25 trigger dito banda. Ayan. Okay, since this is a bullish retracement, titignan natin yung uptrend continuation niya. So ayan, pwedeng magkaroon ng cup and handle dito around, or handle around this level. So tignan natin if it's gonna continue the uptrend in the coming weeks. Now let's look at the third on my watch list, Primex. Primex is actually breaking out right now, so it's in the process of breaking out. Hindi pa natin alam if it's gonna sustain the breakout until end of day, but right now medyo maganda ang outlook ni Primex. So after a tight consolidation here, ayan, nag-breakout na siya. So again, this is an uptrend continuation setup. This is actually good kasi nag-breakout siya sa, ayan, so nagkaroon ng test of support here. Yan natin ang mga arrow para mas ma-appreciate. So ayan, nagkaroon ng support test here after nag-breakout here. Yan. So this was a, kailan pa to? O January 30. So 6, 7, 8 months of consolidation, which is kind of a good setup. So after nag-consolidate ng medyo matagal, it's trying to continue the uptrend. So medyo matagal ng uptrend si Primex. Ayan, kita-kita naman natin. Okay, so this one is a trend continuation play. So tignan natin, MAs are already lining up. So 20 MA is above 50 MA and above 100 MA. So kailangan lang ma-sustain yung breakout. We need volume, which is kind of present naman. Okay, so we're expecting a lot for Primex in the coming days. So tignan natin later or this week if magbo-bull trap siya. But right now, ayan, it's breaking out. IMI was a bounce play few weeks back. So nag-bounce siya sa 1174 support, which is a bullish retracement as well. Ayan, so bullish retracement sa around 38.2 Fibonacci and nagkaroon ng massive rebound. Wow! 32.78 rally from its rebound point. Here's 1175 or 1177. It actually hit a resistance last week, which is, I think, 78.6 Fibonacci ito. Retracement. That one, 78. Ayun, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement nga siya. So, parang renewing ni Satanas. What we're expecting for this setup is another tight consolidation. It can test previous resistances as new support, which is possible drop until here. If mas malakas yung momentum or yung reception ng mga buyers this week, hindi na yan babagsak dyan. Pwedeng dito na lang siya mag-consolidate. Right? Yan, around that level. But tignan natin, since we're dealing with a sideways in an uptrend. Remember, this is still in a sideways formation. So, a lot of things can happen. Medyo tawag namin dyan, tug of war. Kasi naglalaban pa, nagpapalitan pa ng shares yung bulls and bears. So, it can retest. There's a high probability na i-retest yung 50 or yung midline, which is around here. Okay, so this is our midline for that range. So, hindi malabo mangyari yan. But, initial resistance pegged at 16.85. Ayan yung magiging breakout point natin for uptrend confirmation. Pwede siyang mag-continue ng uptrend given na mag-consolidate siya some more in the coming weeks. So, mas gusto ko mangyari yun because medyo grabe yung naging, medyo deep yung naging retracement nito or yung naging correction nito prior sa bounce. So, but still, pasok pa rin naman to sa anatomy ng uptrend. So, kailangan niya lang mag-consolidate, and we've seen a lot of stocks or uptrend stocks na nagkaroon na ng ganitong anatomy before. MRP or MCP before, ganito rin yung ginawa niya. So, it could take 1 to 3 months prior dito sa drop, which is ang reference natin is July. So, July, August, September. So, pwedeng end of month play or ano, regardless. Kasi ang tinitignan naman natin na breakout point would be 16.69. Yeah, around that level, which is this one. So, ito yung magiging negation natin. A lot of things kasi na pwede nating maisip dito. Pwede ring mangyari, but ito yung line na magsasabi sa atin na kung mali or tama tayo. 16.75. So, that's IMI. Uptrend continuation. Very basic. Next would be CEI. CEI is another retracement play. Si CEI mahilig to mag-consolidate. After breaking out from this long consolidation, ayan, consolidated some more here, and then medyo lumakas yung momentum kasi after this breakout nag-retest lang siya sa previous resistance, and then it continued breaking out. So right now consolidating pa rin. That's around 38.2% Fibonacci if we're gonna use this base. Ayan. Okay. Tignan natin if 20 MA will catch up soon, which is nandito na siya banda sa may 20 MA 21 or 22. So it could catch up soon here or pupuntahan ng price. Best entry point for me here would still be the breakout point sa 25.50. Next would be PMPC. PMPC is a stock na very notorious to. It's something na hindi ko pa siya na-trade, but it's still on my watch list because uptrend siya. So, it's now on retracement mode. RSI is very healthy. So, above 50. Okay, that's our immediate RSI support. Dito sa PMPC, medyo very illiquid kasi ito eh. Kaya pinag-iisipan ko pa siyang i-trade, but it's still on my watch list kasi uptrend siya. Ayoko yung mga stocks na ganito, may mga tails na ganyan. That's sign of bad DNA of liquidity. But CI, ganyan din naman siya before. So tignan natin. CI. So ayan, medyo weaky. Every green candle merong red na kasunod. Ayan, that's CI. So for PMPC, watching lang ako. Tignan natin kung magkaroon ng volume. Next, SSI. Bakit kasama yung SSI? So same setup with IMI to. A good bounce after its correction. So nag-correct. And then nag-create ng consolidation pattern. So this could be a bullish continuation play. So RSI still neutral, wala pa tayong nakikitang momentum, but it should stay above the midline of this range. So it could be a test of support. Tignan natin. So yung mga anticipated buyers dito, baka pumasok na ngayon sa breakout dito and are still holding. Then another breakout here. Ayan, so ako papasok ako dito sa breakout ng previous top. Okay, that's for SSI. Then X is a bullish divergence play. Ito lang yung nag-iisang downtrend sa immediate watch list ko. Right now, it's also consolidating here. So this could be your trigger point. So para siya pumunta sa to test other MA. So medyo chupita lang siya ang peg natin dito. So ayan, so ayan yung mga pwede niyang i-ano. Ayan, yung low kasi ito eh. So kapag ganito ang play, medyo 4 days, matagal na. 3 days yung basic natin for bounce plays. So, but it could, yung possibility ng X to test 100 MA, pwede rin. So, tignan natin sa weekly, which is nandito yan sa 20 MA. Meron tayong bullish divergence din sa weekly. Okay. Pero ito yung bullish divergence na hindi masyadong malakas yung signal because below RSI 30 yung point B ng divergence. Anyway, ang isa sa caveat dito for X is that this is still on a bear flag formation. Okay, so ito yung pole ng bear flag na yan. And then ito yung flag, this is the pole, and then so this is as we all know, this is a bearish continuation pattern. So depende sa magiging Pero ang point of cut loss na tinitignan natin dyan would be of course the low of this box. If you're going to enter this week. So 4 months na siya, 4 weeks na siyang nasa bear flag formation. So if magbe-breakout dito, let's see yung possibility na ma-hit yung 750 levels. Isa pa sa inaabangan ko actually are the gaming stocks. Tingnan natin yung PLC. Ayan, so medyo ascending triangle ang peg nito eh. Consolidating. Right now, medyo matagal na siya nagko-consolidate. April pa to. April pa siya nag-start. So 4 months na siya nagko-consolidate. So medyo okay yan na consolidation, and PLC is known for these consolidations. So ayan, mahilig siya mag-consolidate ng medyo matagal. Mga so right now medyo ascending triangle. It's hovering sa 100 MA. Ayan, so dami resistance kasi nito eh. So ang current resistance niya nandito, ayan, gawin natin tong very thick. Meow. So ayan, after mag-breakout dyan, meron na namang resistance here. Medium term uptrend na to since start of the year. YTT nito medyo maganda na. So i-trail lang natin yung 100 MA for now. So if you're going to enter at this level, 100 MA is a good cut loss point. So pero ako, antayin ko na siya mag-breakout sa 166 kasi malapit na rin naman. Sayang ang miles. Daming momentum ngayon eh. So MRP, so known din to for consolidating ng matagal. So dito meron tayong long consolidation. 3 months ba to? So 3 months, March to June, and then here this is another 3 to 6 months, and then right now consolidate ulit si MRP. Nagbago na pangalan, nagko-consolidate pa rin. Pero uptrend pa rin siya. Okay, same with PLC. It actually hit a resistance, multiple resistance here. So itong buong level na to, ito yung naging resistance for MRP, which is a very strong one kasi ang daming levels yan eh. So pwede tayo mag-plot ng multiple Darvas boxes dyan, and lahat yan tinamaan ng MRP. Okay, so ayun yung naging resistance for this. So kaya major siya na nagko-consolidate kasi major yung tinamaan na kailan pa ba ito nag-start? June 2. So 2 months na. Magti 3 months na siya nagko-consolidate, which is good. A good breakout point for this one would be of course this level. Yo, meron tayong maliit na Darvas box dyan. So pwede na yan. But initial resistance for that would be 10 or yung recent high niya. So for position traders, nakiipon na yan dyan sila. But for momentum traders, dito pa sa breakout. RSI nito still very healthy. Uptrend continuation, so we have an RSI support here. So ayan, multiple times yung tinamaan. This is very basic. 920 would be a good breakout point for position and swing traders. For momentum traders, 10 is a good dyan matitrigger yung momentum. PXP. PXP kasi hindi ako masyadong comfortable trade to. Actually, hindi ko nakalimutan ko na yung last time na trade ko yung PXP. I don't trade commodities like gold, oil, nickel, so including tong PXP for now because I think 2015 trade ko yung PPC ito na ring PXP before, but yung itsura ngayon ng PXP hindi ko hindi ko type. So ayan, it's on a major consolidation right now. So RSI says sideways talaga to for now. Okay, but ang ganda ng momentum dito, but this is still considered as a sideways momentum. Talagang sumipa lang dun sa range resistance to ng PXP. I don't monitor world markets kasi, so gold or oil or nickel hindi ko minomonitor na sa sasayangan lang ako sa oras. Anyway, that's it for now. Kakain muna tayo, magdidiskarte muna ako ng lunch, baka may mahanap tayong pagpag. Total aso naman ako Doggy naman ako. By the way, Kidlat TV is back. In the coming weeks, we're gonna feature a lot of traders that you know, so put your favorite traders sa comment section kung sino gusto yung interview natin or about what topic. But for now, may mga nakalena kasi tinanong ko na rin siya before sa isang thread. So lahat ng mga comments nyo binasa namin, and including the topics. So pumili ako doon ng mga traders. We're gonna start with ZFT traders, and after that subukan nating itap yung ibang traders, mga non-ZFT. Marami tayong mga idol dyan, sila Sir Ichimoku, sila Sir Bart Trader, okay, sila Charles Lim, etc. So we're gonna interview them, chat with trader style, bigyan natin kung paano sila mag-trade, ano yung mga sentiments nila, ano yung mga pinagdaanan nilang struggles, adversities, etc. in the market. So stay tuned for that. May mga lady traders din tayong mga naka-line up, so that's gonna be in store for you guys in the coming weeks. Itong mga watchlist na to, mga maliliit na bagay lang. Kasi actually ayoko na mag-discuss sana ng watchlist. Ang dami ng mga traders or mga chartists na nagdi-discuss ng watchlist. And tama naman lahat ng mga charts nila. Ang kailangan lang natin is execute them well. And at least know kung paano sila mag-trade. Kasi usually, minsan, basta may sinabi lang silang stock, binibili na agad. Hindi natin alam kung paano mag-trade yung mga chartist na yun. And like for me, I don't do trend trading that much. So more on momentum stocks yung hinahanap ko. So ayun. Thank you guys for listening. Happy eating sa lunch and good luck sa market. And for those na sumali sa Invest na Cup, good luck sa inyo. First trading day today. Bye-bye!